Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make bong pie, which is really very delicious, nutritious and special for winter. Let's cook. Few ingredients for this extraordinary recipe. First we are going to make trotters yakhni. For trotter yakhni we need beef shank meat half kg, beef trotter 1 that must be cut into 4-5 pieces but not very small. Ingredients include 2 whole onion, 2 garlic bulbs. Make sure don't peel it. We will use it as it is. We need turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. We need salt 1 tablespoon. Whole spices includes black cardamom 4 will be enough. Clove 4-5 pieces. Cinnamon stick 2 inches will be enough. Green cardamom 3 will be enough. For cooking we add all these ingredients into the pressure cooker. First of all we will add shank meat, which is largely pieced. Then we add trotter bones. Whole onion and garlic. Salt, turmeric powder, whole spices, and then 3 liters of water for boiling about 2 hours. We will close the pressure cooker for 2 hours with the pressure on medium flame. You should follow the instructions before using the pressure cooker for safety. In the meantime, we are going to make a gravy. On the stove, add oil 4 tablespoons and 1 onion, which must be cut into juliennes. Onion on medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes until the color changes to golden brown. Overcook it. It will spoil the taste of your recipe. It's brown. Remove it from the oil and set aside. Let's check the pressure cooker after 2 hours. Remove its pressure safely and turn off the flame. Look, the meat is tender enough. Now take out the cooked onion and garlic from the yakhni and separate it. Now make a paste with fried onion. Onion and garlic remove from the yakhni. Please don't forget to peel off the garlic. This tender garlic and onion into the blender with fried onions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you didn't do it. Add green chilies to make a paste. Paste is ready. Now start making the process of making bong paya shorba or salan by mixing all the ingredients, cooked and non-cooked. Take the pressure cooker once again. Add 4 tablespoons of oil, gravy paste that has made in the blender and salt 1 teaspoon. Cook it for 2-3 minutes on medium flame. Now add boiled trotters bone, meat. Again give it a stir. Now add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a stir and add red chili powder. Add some fats from the yakhni and keep stirring for 20 minutes. You can add more fats from the yakhni if you feel like dry. Stir it for continuous 20 minutes until the oil separates and looks good. Now add cooked yakhni and cook for 1 hour on a very low flame with the lids on. All the trotters shanks get so tender and juicy. Your dish is ready to serve. Transfer it to the serving dish and serve hot with roti and naan.